Okay, in this video we're going to be working on calculating dock water allowance. This is homework A, problem 1. All right, and so there's a few things we're going to do here in this problem. I'm just going to go ahead and write the instructions out. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to suggest that you draw the load line. Okay, draw the load lines, and after that we're going to calculate the dock water allowance. Calculate the dock water allowance. The third step we're going to do is we're going to apply the dock water allowance to our freeboard drafts. All right. Then we're going to calculate our burn off. All right. Burn off. And then we're going to apply the burn off. All right. And then we're going to make our choice, okay, which we're going to end up choosing the most restrictive freeboard, which is the largest number. Okay, and that'll make sense when we get to the end. Okay, so step 1, draw the load lines. Well, the load lines are always the same. You've got 2 freshwater load lines, and you've got 4 saltwater load lines. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is tropical fresh. This is fresh. This is tropical. This is summer. This is winter, and this is winter North Atlantic. Okay, and we're going to be loading in some port. Okay, and we're going to come right out to summer, and then we're going to go from summer. We're going to be going to tropical. Okay, so we're going to be anyway, summer to tropical. Okay, so that's what we're doing. So now step 2 is to calculate dock water allowance. Well, the formula for dock water allowance is dock water allowance equals the freshwater allowance, and that will be given to you in the capacity plan. Okay, and then that is times 1.025, that's the specific gravity of salt water, minus whatever is your specific gravity of the dock water that you're in. Okay, and that is given to you in the problem. In our case, it's going to be 1.006, and that's all divided by the specific gravity of salt water minus the specific gravity of fresh water. Okay, so this is going to become a constant. When I take 1.025 and subtract 1, I'm going to have 0.025. This number is going to stay up there as well. So let's just actually input some numbers now. So the freshwater allowance is given to us in the problem. That's 8 inches. So I'm going to put 8 inches here. And by the way, when we finish this, the dock water allowance is going to be in inches. All right. And then I'm going to go 1.025 minus 1.006. That's the specific gravity of the water that I'm in, given in the problem. And now I'm going to divide that by 1.025 minus 1.00. Well, that's always going to be, oops, just give me a second there. It's always going to be 0.025, okay? 0.025, that's a constant, okay? And when I do all that, I do my little math, I get 6.1 inches, okay? So that was that step. Now we're going to do the third step here, all right? Oh, God. I'm just adjusting the pencil size here. Just give me a second. Okay. So now we're going to do step 3. Okay. So step 3, I'm going to do it right here. All right. So we're going from summer to tropical. And what we're going to do is we're going to extract the required freeboard for summer and the required freeboard for tropical, and then we're going to apply our dock water allowance. Okay? So what's my freeboard required for summer? Well, it tells me in the capacity plan I need 84 inches. So for summer, I'm going to put 84 here. That's 84 inches. And for tropical, the capacity plan tells me I need 77 inches. Well, our dock water allowance is 6.1 inches. Let's just make it 6 for the ease of this problem. 6 inches, 6 inches. Okay, now I'm going to do some math. Dock water allowance is always subtracted. So I'm going to end up with 78 inches of freeboard required here for the summer, and 71 inches of freeboard required for tropical. Okay, but we're not going to arrive at the tropical zone for about 4 days. We'll come right out into the summer zone, but we won't require tropical for 4 days. So now I got to do is calculate my burn off. So burn off right here. Okay, that was 3. Now we're going to do step 4. Okay, wait a second there. Now we're doing step 4 of our problem. Okay, step 4 of the problem. We're going to calculate burn off. Well, the formula for burn off is that burn off is equal to our consumption, which in this case is tons per day, okay, times the number of days, okay, and you can see the days are going to cancel out, divided by the TPI, okay, tons per inch immersion, tons per inch, okay. So in our case, the tons per day is we consume 33 tons of fuel, water, and stores per day. Okay, so we have 33 tons per day times 4 days. Days cancel out, and that's divided by TPI is 66 given in the problem. So okay. 66 tons per inch. Well, these tons cancel out that tons, and what we're going to end up with is inches alone, and that's 2 inches. Okay, so from the time that we burn, from the time that we leave the port, after 4 days, we'll have, based on this consumption and this number of days and that TPI, we will have used up 2 inches. Okay, so now we're going to apply that over here, burn off. Well, when we left the port, we came immediately out into summer. There was no talk about like 2 or 3 days coming down a river. Well, we're going to immediately go into the summer zone. Well, the boat has just been underway for a short period of time. So there is really no burn off. This is day 0. So there's no burn off here. But after 4 days, I do have burn off, so I'm going to apply that there. And burn off is always subtracted. Okay, burn off is always going to be subtracted. All right, so that's going to be minus 2 inches here. And now I have 78 inches of freeboard required for the summer zone, and I have 69 inches, excuse me, I have 69 inches required when I get to the tropical. Well, it turns out that this is 78 inches of freeboard, this is 69, this is more restrictive, so this is the one that that I would use, okay? So I can, in my port, I can load until I have 78 inches of freeboard, and then when I get underway, by the time I get out into the summer zone, I'll be at my summer load line, okay? Now, when I get to my tropical, anyway, that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to choose this one. This is what I'm going to load to. Okay.